Today is October 18. I received from Temu. Ayan, flowers, pink, red, and 2 white. Table and sas, tatlong pack. Tatlong pack na sas. And 1 pack pink. And backdrop, 4 pieces. And white tablecloths. Backdrop, white. And this is backdrop 2. Manipis, tapos ito pa, puro backdrop. Ayan, backdrop, and merong pink, backdrop, and this is a tablecloth for gold, and this is a flower, white flower. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 and dalawang lights, the battery, and mayroong arc also, single white flower, and mayroong pang flower. Ayan. Ayan. Dahon. Ayan, may flower. Dalawang purple. Ayan. Flower. And ito. Ay, tatlong purple pala. Meron pa doon. 1, 2, 3. Tatlong purple. And 1 blue flowers. Purple. Maroon nga flower. Ayan. Saka ito pink. Dalawa. Ayan, tatlo. Pink. Ibang pagka-pink. Ayan, garland. Ayan. Ito. Dalawa. Meron pang isa. Tatlo. Ayan, garland. 1. Meron pa doon para sa table. Ayan, 1, 2. Ayan, 3. Yan, dalawang maroon na flowers and backdrop. I don't know if it is backdrop or sa table. On the 2 flowers and pink. Purple also. Purple. Ayan, pag-isahin natin ng mga, hindi purple. Maroon. Pag-isahin natin ang maroon. Ayan, at kanito. Para sa dami akong na-receive. Yan. Bilangin natin kung ilang item.